Gentlemen, and young ladies out there, how you guys doing today? It's Professor Javon. We are back in another video. You know what I'm saying? Before we start this video, make sure you guys like and subscribe because we're going all the way to 2020. You know what I'm saying? This girl is beautiful Javon right here. She looking at me like I'm stupid. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm introducing myself to the camera to the new subscribers that's been subscribed to this video. All right, without further ado, I'm going to shut up behind the voiceover to Mr. Javon right now. So go ahead and speak what you got to say.
What's up, baby gang? It's your girl, Sha Money in the building.
It's your boy, Javon, baby, in the building too. Alright guys, I was just saying, man, welcome back to the video, man. It's the boy Javon, man. Back in the video, man. Back in the video. Thank you, man. So that's about time by thumbnail. We're going to do something a little different. Yeah, so guys, basically we're going to be doing what do you need in your camera bag as a beginner doing YouTube, young YouTube, whatever, however you want to say. We're going to show you guys what we have, what we've been using for the past year that we've been in YouTube, what we've been recording with, all that we've been using. We're going to show you guys, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, it's basically about what do you need. But the stuff that we have, you don't really need it technically, but we're going to show you guys what we use.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so we're just going to show you all what we gathered throughout the year of our first year on YouTube and what we felt like we needed. Even though, like he said, you don't really need a camera to start a YouTube channel because you can actually use your phone. Like right now, we're using the phone to record the video.
Yeah, we're using our phone right now.
So you absolutely don't need a camera to start it. But if you want a camera, like because you might want a camera and you want your phone to be free when you need it. So I mean, that's what we did. We decided to get cameras. So you don't have to. This is just what we decided that we wanted to do. So without further ado, we're gonna get straight into the video. We're gonna let y'all know what we have in our camera bag. We're gonna let you all know where we purchased it from and everything that we can remember. Because like I said, we've been doing this for years. So some things we don't remember, some things we do remember. Yada yada yada. Yeah. So let's get straight to it.
All right, guys. Before we start, first thing I'm gonna show you guys, we do use ring lights. I'm not using it right now. We do use ring light. Oh, the ring light is right here in front of where the phone is on. Yeah. We do have two studio lights, which one is right. Box lights?
Yes.
One is right here. It's not on. We're not using it because we have enough light.
Yes. So we have two of those.
Two of those and one ring light. Yeah. And they all work. Yeah. Good job. We got all of them off Amazon. That was not. I don't remember the price, to be honest with you.
I think I ordered it. So the camera bag that we ordered, we actually ordered this from Amazon, and it says Amazon Basics on the front right here. The label here says Amazon Basics, and we ordered, like I said, we ordered from Amazon, and I'm trying to pull it up so I can let y'all know the price of it. The price was $26 for this camera bag. It's a large camera bag as well, guys.
And then before we go any further, we also do have a computer bag. Yeah. Computer bag right here. We do use a MacBook Pro. I think this is a 2017 MacBook. How much did I pay for it? Oh shit. Oh my god. How much did I pay for this? Was I said the original price was $1,000 for it, but I added a few software onto it. Yeah. Like Final Cut Pro and some other stuff, and then it came up to like almost $1,500, something like that. So yeah, this is like a 27 small MacBook.
Yeah. So we have that to edit and everything. We use Final Cut Pro. If you did not know that, we use that software to edit all our videos on. And yeah, that's what we use. So camera bag here, guys, is large. It fits all of our equipment except for the laptop, of course. But it fits everything that we use as far as cameras and adapters and all that stuff. So once you open it, it comes sealed here. It comes, it's a zipper. If y'all can see that.
So they can see.
They can see. So this is how it looks. It's just like, protective flap or whatever. And right here, it's a zipper. It opens up right here. And inside of here, we have, so we have this Ray Cube that we ordered off of Amazon. It's basically a multi-port USB-C hub. So basically, we can just plug this into our laptop, and we can plug in like a charger, because on the laptop, it only has two plugins. So we can plug in
guys.
Yeah.
It has more than one stuff that we can use at once. Cause on the computer, it only has two. Yeah. And sometimes we need to plug in more than two. So we got this off Amazon. It was very, I think it was around $20.
$20.
Yeah, around $20 for it. stuff like that.
So we have a marker, which I don't know why this was in here.
I don't know why we got a marker. But I guess we have this because if we're doing videos and random stuff like that, challenges, something like that.
Yeah. Gotcha. Right here we have a tripod. It's called a Manfrotto. Manfrotto. I don't know if y'all can see that. Yeah.
We can show the camera what is going on. Well, this working in the camera, right?
Yeah, any camera.
Yeah, any camera. This working in the tripod camera. It actually came in the camera that we bought. That we're gonna show you guys in a little bit.
We have a hard drive here with the plug that it came with. We bought this from Best Buy. You need a hard drive when it comes to YouTube because you have to put multiple videos. I mean, you have to record multiple videos.
This so it look, and this is like a 1 terabyte, I believe.
Yeah, I think that's the 1 terabyte. We don't have more than 2, right?
I'm letting y'all know from now. If y'all finna start doing YouTube, if y'all have the money, go buy you 3 to 4 terabyte because you will need it.
Yes.
1 terabyte is not gonna last you. I promise you. 1 terabyte is not gonna last. So don't make the mistake that we did. We bought like 30s.
Yeah, so we should
just buy just a 4.
And then we would have been good.
I think these are around $60.
Yeah.
$60. The rest are higher than that.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, this is the 1 terabyte. We got like 2 or 3 of these, and then we got some other ones. So yeah, you guys would need this.
Yeah, like you said, we have some other ones. We have 1, 2. I believe we have some more. Oh, guys, these on the side. It comes with pockets on the side.
Another one right here.
Yeah. So we don't have none in this pocket here, but it comes with 2 pockets on the side here if you want to put something there as well. And yeah, that's it. In this pocket, it opens up right here as well, guys. We have a zipper here at the top. And we just have our like adapters in here. Like I said, we use these adapters before we had bought the other one, the big one that we said was $20. We use these to plug the hard drive into the laptop. But now that we have that big piece, we don't really need these anymore, but we still use them.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's that. And for the main event, inside of this big old orange pocket here, like I said, this tripod I do not like. This is the Gorilla Pod.
Yeah.
This one, you have to like fix all the legs like this, that. Javon actually broke this thing trying to fix it.
I actually broke this in a prank, guys. It was a prank I did way back.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys saw it, but if you guys saw it, then yeah, it's a prank. I broke this. Because she was acting wild. Prefer this one better. This one fit on any camera.
Yeah.
And then this one is like for like big cameras, of course, but I hate using it. I do too.
All right, what else do we have? We have another hard drive, guys. Like I said, we bought like 4 of these. Babe, how many? No, we have 3.
That's it.
Okay, so we have like 3 of these hard drives. Like I said,
and this one is a terabyte. This one is a 2 terabyte.
Yeah.
This one is like a good 70.
Yeah, 75, something like that. So
I got all that at Best Buy.
Like he said, y'all, it's better to get a 4. You know, it's a big investment, but it's better to get a 4. So we have a charger. This one actually came with the small camera. So the small camera we have is a Canon G7X Mark II. And this one, oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this little camera. This one, it flips out so that way you can see yourself as you record, right? And it comes out as well.
And this
like
actually came with this camera.
Yeah, that came with this camera. So, you know, it flips out like this, however you want to hold it or whatever. And yeah, guys, this camera is really, really good.
G7X right there.
It focuses
Very
on
good
the light
camera.
pretty good. So like whenever we're recording videos, we barely have to use the ring light and the box light with this camera because the light around us, it auto focus on us and like kind of light us up a little bit more. So that's why I love that camera.
Just like that. And this camera was about, we got this for a bundle, right?
Yeah.
We got the camera and the tripod and 2 cameras. And that was
we
about...
didn't have 2 cameras, babe.
2 chargers,
Two batteries.
Two batteries, yeah.
We have 2 batteries. We have one inside the camera and one here on the charger.
Yeah. And, and that came up to like around $600.
Yeah. All right, so for the next one, we have this big old camera. We have this one first, guys. This is the one that we mainly do like our challenges on because our challenges be very long. So we do this one on, you know, for the challenges. This camera is a Canon EOS Rebel SL2. So yeah, it just flips out, turns, flips back in, all that stuff. So I mean, you can still use this like a vlogging camera or whatever, but it's too big. That's why we got that small because it is so big and we use it for that.
And this, big stuff like this, we use it for this. Show you guys, come closer. And this was about $700 for this camera. It's a very good camera, guys. It's a very good camera. You can use it for more than one thing. Cameras, pictures, all that stuff. Same thing.
Yeah.
Videos, I mean. Yeah.
And also with that camera, we have a lens. I know y'all don't see the lens on there, but we'll
yeah.
take it out to put it inside the bag. This is EFS 18 through 55 mm, whatever image stability. I don't know.
Yeah, that's the first.
It's a lens.
That's the actual lens that came with this. It's not like an upgrade one. It's the first lens. We really didn't need to buy one because our quality is not that right.
Yeah.
In the future,
we might get a different lens.
But this lens is pretty much. This lens will actually come with it. So if you buy this camera, it's gonna come with this, obviously.
Yeah.
I've got all this stuff right here so far from Best Buy.
Best Buy is the plug for real. And this charger also came with that camera. So this charger, it only comes with one battery. So we only have one battery for that. So once that battery's dead, that's it. We just got.
I mean, it lasts a pretty much long time. So.
Yeah. So this charger came with that camera. What else do we have in here? What is this? Oh, this is a cord for the adapters. I mean, not the adapters. What is it? The hard drive. Yeah, this is a cord for one of the hard drives that we have. This is just a adapter for a charger, a phone charger, whatever. I believe that's mine. I don't know. Probably yours. Right here, guys. This one right here. We use this to plug in our SD cards from the camera so that way we can transport the videos to Final Cut Pro. So with the big camera, we can use Wi-Fi to get the pictures off, but it was kind of like clogging up our phone with pictures and stuff, and like the storage and everything was getting backed up as well. It kept telling us we, needed more storage and all that stuff. So we decided to buy this. This was at Best Buy for $20. We got this from Best Buy to plug the SD card up and plug it inside the laptop.
And
so
guys,
that we can get the image.
they bought it $20.
Yeah.
Buy this one.
Buy that one.
Not this one.
Not that one.
We didn't know. We just started YouTube, so we was just buying stuff. We didn't know. But as time go, you would learn and know what to buy, what to buy. Buy this one, Amazon, real cheap.
$20.
Real cheap. Don't buy it because this is just one single thing. All right. That's it.
We just have a flash drive that we never use. I don't know what this was for anyway. Oh, I think this was for the videos, but we didn't think.
Oh, we had this. We had this the very first. That was before we got this.
Yeah.
That was the first thing we had. That. Don't waste some money buying that.
Don't use a flash drive.
That's all right.
That's about it, guys. That's our camera bag.
This is what the bag look like. Inside the bag, it's pretty cool. Amazon bag, but.
I hope you all enjoyed our camera bag video. We just want to let y'all know what we had and our experience throughout the whole year of being YouTubers. As far as what we need to purchase. So yeah. Okay, guys, subscribe to the channel. We love you, and we'll see y'all next video. Peace.